What it do, y'all? So anyway, I made a bootleg detox tea by using, I think, 5 of these. No, 4. 4 of these. 6 of these. So I boiled those 2 first, right? So then I add just, if you don't have to add the honey, but I wanted to add it just for taste as well as the other purposes what honey serves. I added literally like a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This is the concoction once it's all finished. I also added cayenne pepper, which I've used up, so I don't have the bottle to show. And I shredded up some ginger. And this stuff is potent. And this, everything is just to taste, but for ginger, I probably did a tablespoon. So a tablespoon of ginger, you know, filtered or distilled water. And that's my concoction, y'all. So we're going to see what it do.